Okay, and welcome back to another moto vlog. This is my second moto vlog of the channel, and we are back on the Kawasaki Z800. Basically, no agenda for today. I am just going to be riding around some nice little B roads like this one, kind of having a nice chill ride, bit of waffling, that kind of thing, because I've basically got nothing to do today. So I thought, what better way to spend that time other than going out on the bike and making a moto vlog. So yeah, basically the feedback was pretty good on the first moto vlog I made, and the sound quality actually ended up being pretty nice, which a couple of people told me in the comment section, which is awesome. So yeah, I thought I would do another one, and still kind of doing the pure sound ones with no talking as well, kind of in between, just so there's a bit of variance. Not everything's talking and not everything is not talking. So yeah, pretty cool. It's quite a nice sunny, cloudy day today. You know, it's nice weather, sunny, the roads are dry. It's not all too warm. I think it's about 14 or 15 degrees, as the temperature has dropped drastically in the UK over the past 1 or 2 weeks. You know, I think it was 6 or 7 degrees this morning or something ridiculous like that. So trying to go out at the midday kind of time when it's, you know, warmed up a little bit. Otherwise, I'll be freezing my arse off on the bike, and you probably hear my teeth chattering within the helmet. So yeah, gonna try get past these cars soon. There's a bit of a blind hill. Yep, there we go. And yeah, basically just going to ride around and chill. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, as it helps out a lot. Leave a like on the video, comment, all that sort of thing. If you don't follow me on socials, then please follow my TikTok and Instagram. I post quite a lot on TikTok. That's I think I'm almost at 3k followers, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, follow me on there. Also, drop me a comment in the comment section down below, basically whereabouts you're from, what kind of bike you're riding, as I'm always interested to hear, you know, what people are riding and where they're from. And if you're kind of local to me, I'm in the Hampshire and Surrey area. I'd definitely like to organise some group rides soon, with anyone, basically. Ideally content creators, because that way I can get content of myself, you know, because a lot of the content on my channel is self-shot, and it's kind of hard to get third-person shots of like making it look like someone else is recording, so that I don't have to like set up tripods and that kind of stuff, because like all my TikTok is like, it's me recording me, so I can only do that so well. I don't really like bringing out tripods, so it's yeah, it would be nice to ride with some other content creator type people, so I can actually get some different content of myself, and just to kind of meet and chat and talk and chill with other people would be pretty awesome. So if you do ride bikes, then drop me a comment or message me on Instagram or TikTok, that kind of thing, and I'm sure we can set something up. So today is a Saturday, which is kind of annoying because that means there's going to be quite a lot of traffic around. I tried to record this vlog yesterday, which was a Friday, and I recorded it at like midday. There was barely any traffic because everyone was at work. However, with the recorder system that I have, I've got a mic plugged into it, which requires phantom power, and that just keeps draining my battery on the Zoom recorder that I have. So then it just keeps dying. And cutting out after like 3 minutes, which is no good, which means I have to record the vlog all over again like I'm doing today, which kind of sucks. You know, it's actually happened twice. I did it another time, and it did the same thing. So yeah, basically lost 2 vlogs to batteries dying. So now the solution is I've got it powered by a power bank. So if that doesn't work, I am basically never going to vlog again, because clearly the stars aren't aligning, and the earth doesn't want me to do it, basically. Kind of unfortunate that these back roads are all clogged up with, you know, weekend warriors, people like this Skoda going to the pub for a nice little lunch, clogging up all the roads, all the nice roads for all the nice bikes out there. So hopefully I can kind of just get past them all, you know. get a clear bit of road. I'm gonna get past view as well. There we go. So yeah, basically just want to be riding around B roads today, you know, giving it a little B road bash. I also, I've got my backpack on, so I've got all my camera gear in there, like my big cinema camera, which is a Blackmagic 6K Pro, which I don't use a lot for bike content. I mainly use it for like short films and stuff. But, you know, I thought I would whip it out and get some shots of the bike, and I was going to record some, like a little walk around review style thing of this bike, the Z800, for TikTok. So I'll probably do that as well. I've got a usual spot that I go to for recording that kind of stuff, so you'll see that at the end, which is basically where I'm going to conclude the ride. And I hate this turn. Yep, we're good. So yeah, basically, nice little chill photography session and a ride. Yeah. And if you are wondering what I'm recording this on, I am recording it on a GoPro. And this is something I was speaking about in the vlog that died yesterday. So I'm kind of trying to relive all the good points that I was making. And basically one of them was what my goal was for this channel. And basically, obviously just wanting to grow it. Outside of that was getting monetized on this channel, which would be excellent. I know that's kind of everyone's goal nowadays with socials and that, you know, make money from it, blah, 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 that kind of stuff. But I'd want to monetize this channel because that would mean I can basically just do more stuff for the channel, you know, buy more equipment. I'd want to buy another GoPro down here, so that's like pointing at me so you can see me while I'm talking, and possibly one of those Insta 360 cams to go on the back of the bike so you can get that cool, you know, Grand Theft Auto style point of view shot, which would be lovely. Might not match up with the GoPros too well, but they do make I think it's called the GoPro Max, which is like a 360 cam. But the cool thing about the Instas is if you have it on, it's called their Magic Stick, which sounds awful, the selfie stick. The software within the camera actually like removes the stick with like AI or something like that, so it's like invisible, which is pretty awesome. So that would be a cool reason to get one of those. But yeah, that would be excellent to do just by monetizing the channel and basically reinvesting everything that comes from the channel for, you know, all my bike content, and reinvesting that and just making things better and better for the viewers, which would be pretty cool. So yeah. I don't know if a lot of you have tried getting a channel monetized on YouTube, but oh my God, for me it seems so difficult and takes so long. I think you have to have 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, which is quite a lot, you know, especially if you're starting from zero, and, you know, there is a whole luck-based element to it as well. You know, if the YouTube algorithm picks up one of your videos and you get loads of views, that can be what will basically kickstart your channel. And, you know, oh, I think there's a bike coming behind me. Yay, bike friend. And kickstart your channel and, you know, get you into earning. And then I think it just snowballs from there, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, that would be the dream. And then, God, you'd have to have a whole lot of subs and views to be able to do it, like, as your sole earning. But yeah, that would be like end goal down the line, just make money off YouTube. Oh, as a CBR, give him a cheeky little nod. Thank you very much for the nod back. I'd have turned around and punched you if you didn't nod me back on my vlog. Right, this is going to go green, but there's still cars in my way. Luckily, I'm on a bike, so this is not an issue. Yoink. And now, because we're at the front, we've got a nice bit of open space to, you know, whip it about. Past this lovely little village. Discover a village for life. Yeah, that doesn't sound culty at all. Give it a blast past these cars. And obviously my mirror has gone the other way. If you're looking at buying bar end mirrors, don't buy these, because this one is like loose and it will like turn itself around if you go over a certain speed. I'm not going to say what that speed is. But yeah, if you go over a certain speed, it will just like flip around. For some reason, you can't even tighten it from the back I just hate it. It's super annoying. I don't know if a lot of you, well, if you have a naked bike, then you've most likely got bar mirrors, because the stock ones that come on the stalks from here are absolutely awful. And I've had these bar end mirrors in basically every configuration you could think of, and this one I found is the best one in terms of like overall width of the bike for like filtering, because you can have them like that and then they kind of stick out a little bit, which is too wide for filtering. I've had them down here, you just can't see anything down there. So I found, yeah, this is the best one for actually being able to see behind you. But that does mean one of them folds in. Hello, bike friend. So yeah, bar end mirrors kind of suck. I'd love to just do away with them. I don't actually know what the legalities are in terms of not riding with mirrors on. I think maybe you can have one. I don't know. Is that maybe someone who knows more than me in the comments could let me know, because yeah, I'd be tempted to just not have any bar end mirrors on here, and just do shoulder checks like way more often, that kind of thing. However, I share this bike with my father, so he would definitely not approve of not having mirrors on here. The only time the mirrors have came off was when this bike did a track day at Brands Hatch, and it looks so much better. But yeah, so we're into Farnborough right now, so it can get a little bit busy. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop waffling and then kind of pick it back up when we resume on the B road. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, and we are back on some B roads. This is the same road that we started on, but we are just going the other way as it leads me back to where I wanted to do some other little bits of content and photos, that kind of thing. So yeah, I basically did a loop. I wanted to start recording sooner, but there was so much traffic, you know, being a Saturday and all. Kind of sucks, really. It'll be nice to get in front of these cars and rip it through this little B road, but, you know, little Deirdre in a red car is going to be doing not so rip it speed, basically. So maybe I can get past them, maybe I can't. I'm not gonna worry too much, because I like to chill on these little vlog rides, you know. And I don't want these cars to take me off, basically, because these can be a bit sketchy, these roads, you know. And here we go. Got to do them one by one, unfortunately. No, guess not. Some learners. Give them a little nod, bless them. Oh, there's more. Guess I won't be doing any overtaking today, you know. Which kind of sucks. I wanted to give it a blast through here, but, you know, these cars had other things in mind. Maybe I can get past them. I think there's like a straight coming up. I can't actually remember. Let's see. Yep. And a blind turn, sort of nip back in. And then, yeah, get past them here. Well, the silver one at least. And then I think we can get the red one down here. They're giving it some. I just assumed it was a she, but yeah. See you later. And yeah, basically here we are. Shout out to you if you recognize this place. It's my favorite place to take photos because, as you can see, it's usually pretty quiet. However, being a Saturday, I am assuming there's going to be a lot of dog walkers. But down here, not too bad. It's not too bad at all. But yeah, I like these nice forest kind of spots just because it's a bit different. I do take a lot of photos here, so I probably need to stop coming here as much. But I'm going to do a little POV kind of walk around video of the bike for TikTok. And that will kind of bit. And then I might actually go to a like a multi-story to take some photos. And oh yeah, there's a car up here. Ruining it for me, but that's fine. As long as you're not dogging, yeah. Usually I just park the bike up here in front of this gate that says no parking, but you know, screw it. And then, yeah, I'll take some nice photos. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this moto vlog. Lots of waffling, not much riding done, but you know, that's how it is in the UK when you've got, you know, a million cars on the road. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you could like and subscribe, that would help the channel out a whole lot. And yeah, I'm going on holiday, so maybe there might be a brief period of time where there's not a video. But yeah, hoping to get back and get riding as soon as possible, depending on the weather, because I hate riding in the rain. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.